Welcome. In front of me is a CUBOT Note 9, and today I'll show you how you can hard reset this device through settings. So to get started, you'll want to open up your settings. So scroll down, settings. Then you want to scroll in the settings all the way down to System, select Advanced, Reset Options, Erase All Data. This will bring up a message letting you know what this process removes. So you have a list of different things that it gets rid of. Now, the three first options are kind of misleading. It doesn't delete your Google account as an example. It just removes it from the phone. You can still re-log in later on to this account and it will have everything that you'd expect it to have, for instance contacts and stuff like that. Same goes for system and app data and settings. These are just settings that you can choose on the fly, so later on you can choose them again. And downloaded apps you can re-download from Play Store. And if you also do a Google backup, then Google will just simply re-download all of them for you. So the things that matter are things like music, photos, and user data. Now if you keep any of these on the phone and you do want to preserve them, do make a copy of it before you begin, otherwise they will be removed and you cannot undo this. But assuming you have already created a copy, or you maybe just don't want to, and select Erase All Data, do that once more, and this will now begin factory resetting our device. And this will take probably like a minute to 2 minutes to finish up, and once it has, we'll be presented with Android setup screen. So I'll be back once that is visible. And as you can see, the process is now finished and you can set up your phone however you like. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.